This is my friend Andy. She recently moved into her new big girl apartment and I've been helping her decorate. And the past few days we made it our sole mission to turn her balcony into her dream oasis. So welcome to a new video where we transform her balcony from this to this. Hi guys, welcome to a new video. We have a guest person. This is Andy. Hello! Transforming her balcony. We already kind of like decorated her balcony a little bit, but I went out to Ikea and I bought these tiles. They're renter-friendly tiles that I've always wanted to use. I've used the fake wood ones before, and to be honest, like they're cute and they do the job and they are more inexpensive, so they're like a better budget-friendly, renter-friendly option. I'm bringing you guys along with me because I feel like this is just so interesting, and so they gave me a budget and I was able to finally buy these tiles. They are a little more expensive. I think they're like $40 a pack or like 35 maybe. I'm not sure, I'll look it up. They're so cool and they're real ceramic tiles, which is why they're so expensive, and they're so heavy. That's why we were struggling so hard to take them out of the truck and into her apartment. These tiles are so heavy.
They were a lot heavier than I thought. I thought you were just being weak.
We did it! We got everything out of the truck. This is like what I was mostly worried about because where Andy lives, there's just like so much traffic and so many cars. It's very overwhelming. So I'm really excited because right now we just have an outdoor rug out there and she has cement floors, like typical balcony in a building. It's very gray out there and it's very dull, so I'm excited for this. I also got her like a few more decor pieces. I finally got her an outdoor chair because she doesn't have one. I got her like a few little accessories, also a coffee table and a console table, so I'm very excited. No way! Like Andrea has no idea what I bought.
I woke up and Danny Claire was downstairs and I just picked up like 80 pounds of things and I'm very excited.
Andy has a white couch, so every time Nanu's here, we have to clean her paws and put blankets all over her couch.
Gotta clean your paws. Gotta clean your paws.
She's like, what's happening? My mom didn't do this to me ever. I'm so gross. This is the routine every time Nanu and I come over. I spoiled Nanu. Like, I let her get on all my furniture like it does not matter. I forget people have white furniture. Like, I could never.
Watch her like sit on the one part that I'll grab another one.
I know, she loves sitting on the pillows actually.
She likes to feel at home and comfortable. She's her like, mommy spoiled her.
She's like a cat. She gets on like really weird places. Eugene, hello. Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi.
I'm a vlogger now.
You live in right here. Subscribe.
Brittany's here. She brought more decor.
There's a mirror in here.
This is cute. You got the
Oh,
vibes.
I'm so excited.
Yay! And that is really cute. Also, I haven't shown you guys Andy's house yet. Maybe I'll give you guys a tour once we're finished. We have this huge mirror that we found at Marshall's for $250. It's amazing. We have all her little glassware in that nook, and then this little console table. It's coming together. I'm excited to put the art up. We're gonna do that soon. So we're focusing on her balcony today. This is gonna look very different. Step number one is to remove the rug. We have to like remove everything to put the tile down, so I was just thinking we start with that side and then we start putting the furniture once we like have it. You know what I mean? Like placed and then put on top instead of like moving everything inside. So what are we doing? Okay, so you guys please look at her shoes.
I don't, Danny Claire bullies me, but it's
no,
really
I think they're so funny. So we've decided to get rid of the rug. I think.
I was like, I got it.
Ikea sells these little, they look almost like little plastic pallets, and basically you lay them down like tile and then you put the tile on top of them and they just pop right in. And then it makes it renter friendly.
But actually, could you imagine if I wouldn't have met you, my walls wouldn't have been pink? That's so crazy.
I don't know how people have all white everything. Like, I understand doing neutral tones, but if you keep everything white, it's so cold. So you can do like almost like a lime wash. I don't think you know what that is.
I do because you told me, okay?
Like a lime wash that's like cream, not white.
Yeah.
Like keep the white, clean, gross aesthetic, but like add in some more like neutral tones, not everything white. Like everything white actually looks scary. Guys, I'm getting so much hate for decorating Andy's apartment.
Yeah, like it's so mean.
Everyone's like, this is so basic.
Yeah, people are like, she's falling off, she's falling off. She's like so basic. I'm like, I'm basic. I'm a basic girl, and Danny's helping me.
I try to do sometimes projects that aren't my style just to like for
Obviously.
funsies and also, you know, to explore and also to help. Like, you're my fucking
Yeah,
friend.
I'm your friend, and if you would have put like all the stuff that you put in your apartment, it's just not my style.
Yeah, exactly.
I would have been like, wow, this is not what I asked
thought
for at
that was
all.
so funny.
I don't know what you're doing.
So you have to like lock them in place.
Should I build off of yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is like fun Legos.
This is like fun Legos.
There you go.
It's so good.
There's some that have these, like they stick out, and these don't stick out. So you put the one that doesn't stick out on the corner that you're not gonna build with, and then the other corner goes on top of the ones that are already there to build on top of. I don't know if that makes sense.
No, that makes sense to me.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
We're starting to put the tile, and I'm so excited. It's so cool. It's so heavy too, and I literally just dropped the box on my toe. It's from Ikea. It's real ceramic. She's heavy. She feels good quality. Oh my god, this is so cool. I've always wanted to use this tile from Ikea. Like, I swear, this is a dream come true. This is the only tile option they have, and I'm surprised that it's this pattern because it's so funky and fun, and I'm so happy that Ikea would choose this pattern. And these back, baby.
Guys, Danny Cleric turned off my mic because I talk too much.
No! She's just talking too much shit.
I was just telling a very silly story, and Danny Cleric said not for the public.
You don't like it?
On purpose, I got the grossest one I could find.
Why?
Because it's, do I have to go like this every time I talk?
No.
Okay. Because I'm supposed to eat my veggies and my fruits and I don't.
No way, so you're just like wanting to puke the entire time you eat that?
Yeah, but I figured if I got something healthy, I would drink it, and then my body would be really happy with me, even though in the moment I'm very, very,
That's
very...
so crazy to me. We were ordering from this place that's literally only fruits and vegetables, and I was like, Andy, do you want to order something else because she doesn't like fruits and vegetables? What? Andy wakes up and eats salt and vinegar chips. Like, she doesn't eat real food.
The breakfast of champions.
So what she's doing is she's like, then I'll just sacrifice myself drinking this juice, and for the rest of the day I can eat whatever I want as long as I just get some veggies in me right now. Is that what happened?
Correct.
I think that was my logic in college, but then I actually
grew up.
Okay, my camera died, but we got the day bed on here, and now we're getting rid of the rug.
Have you still been looking at more houses, or have you taken a little breaky break?
I have been looking. I've also been exploring maybe moving away.
Shut your mouth.
Well, like moving away to like Daytona Beach or something.
Okay. That's still horrible.
No, we broke apart. Damn, and I was really admiring how great the yellow and pink looked
love
together.
the yellow and pink.
We originally had white pillow covers out here, but I thought maybe we change it up a bit and try yellow. I got these 20 by 20 Ikea pillows, and I got like outdoor covers. I feel like this is a controversial color. A lot of people love it and a lot of people hate it. So we got a coffee table and a console table, which is really exciting. This one, I think the color, Annie's gonna be like, what the fuck? Ready?
Wait, that's actually so cute.
I thought it was so cool.
It's the best color in the
Like,
world.
you would never expect to see it this color. Like, I'm so
love
happy that
it.
Ikea is coming out with color. It was this or black, and I'm like this, obviously. Okay, so we finished the console table, which kind of took us more than I'd like to admit. That is looking very plain. So our idea is to put the mirror there, but it is a floor mirror. So we have to find a way to hang it on the wall because it doesn't have like the hooks on the back.
We decided not to try this because it's not really safe, because it's not a mirror made for it, but we're gonna try to put up art still.
Oh my god, I wasn't recording! We're attempting to put the art up. Mine fell, but Brit hacked the system and somehow hers stayed up. So I think it's because she put a bunch of them. She put so many on there. We're using command strips too, and on textured walls like this, it's like very popcorny. It doesn't really stay up too well, but what Brit is doing is working, so that's what we're gonna do. My camera is overheating, so I'm gonna give you guys a little break and I'll be right back.
Guys, so we actually had another art piece up and they literally, as soon as we were gonna start filming, it fell and it broke, and this one also fell. So let's pretend like it didn't fall and hopefully it'll be okay. We need to find a more long-term solution, but it's okay. We slayed the house down.
Slay the house down, boots!
Woo! It looks so good!
It does look really good.
It looks so different from when we started. Believe how different it looked from when we started to now, because I can't, and that is literally the magic of renter-friendly tiles. This floor is a game changer. Like, it just changes everything. It really upscaled this cute little balcony, and I feel like a lot of people also just underestimate what you can do with a balcony, but I totally understand, because one, outdoor furniture is so expensive, even though most of these things are not fully outdoor. Well, not most, but like the daybed isn't outdoor, but she has a roof on here and she hasn't had any problems. Like when it rains, it doesn't interfere with the furniture, it doesn't wet the furniture or anything. So it's been great. Decorating outside is so expensive. Like, furniture is expensive enough, but there are different ways. Like, a lot of these things are from Marshalls, from Ikea, Home Goods, thrifted, como que there's ways to make your outdoor spaces look good. There's also cheaper, renter-friendly tile options at Ikea, like the wooden ones are cheaper than the actual ceramic tiles. But if you do have the money, I feel like it's definitely worth the investment because it looks so freaking cool. Could you guys imagine if we had like a little restaurant or like a motel or something? Like, it would look so fun. I would love to decorate something like very like Palm Springs or like West Palm Beach vibes. That is definitely one of the goals. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video.